Today, we are going to learn about different types of weather. Sunny. Sunny.
It is sunny.
Rainy. Rainy.
It is rainy.
Cloudy. Cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy.
It is partly cloudy.
Windy. Windy.
It is windy.
Snowy. Snowy.
It is snowy.
Stormy. Stormy.
It is stormy.
Hail. Hail.
It is hailing.
Foggy. Foggy.
It is foggy.
Tornado. Tornado.
It is a tornado.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
It is a blizzard.
Flood. Flood.
It is flooding.
Lightning. Lightning.
There is lightning.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
It is a rainbow.
Hot. Hot.
It is hot.
Cold. Cold.
It is cold.
Freezing. Freezing.
It is freezing.
Today we learned about types of weather. For more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you very much.